Hello, Jackie here to answer questions, and today I have a question from someone who asked, what are my ideas or resources for gifted students? This one was about specifically 4th and 5th graders, and I get it. I have one of my 4, actually 2, but anyway, one especially that was a little extra and gifted. What we did, now, first let's back up. If you're with FLVS Flex, with a private umbrella, it's more flexible. If you're FLVS Flex with their district, I don't know if you're able to do this. And if you're with FLVS full-time, you will need to talk to whoever, the principal probably, or teachers about this. So if you're FLVS Flex with a private umbrella, this is what you have available to you. It may depend on your private umbrella too. But my personal private umbrella, Aspiring Heights Academy, has allowed this. And what we do is this. My daughter, let's say she's in 4th grade. She's not, but she is, pretend. If she's gifted, let's say I know this is boring. She's bored with 4th grade. Well, then I'll enroll her in 5th grade classes. Maybe she's really good at reading. Maybe I'll even enroll her in a 6th grade reading class, 5th grade math, 6th grade science, and maybe she should stay 4th grade social studies, history kind of thing. You can do that. So if you want to stay with FLVS and have a transcript with FLVS, even the unofficial transcript, this is a great way to do it. Otherwise, you'll need to just, again, explore other resources available to you. But this has been our fun way. This summer, had 2 students in middle school taking high school classes, getting their high school electives under their belt. They are permanent transcript, high school from 9 to 12. When you take a FLVS high school class, that becomes permanent transcript record. K through 8, it's not really permanent record. I mean, it's record if you're going to go back to a brick and mortar. It's record if you're going to go move to another state and things like that. But I hope this was a great idea and a great way. If you want to have more questions about it or specific, let me know. Otherwise, that's what we do. I just go ahead and register for them. I message my school, private umbrella school. They become the guidance counselor and say, listen, my daughter is mature enough or ready, academically ready to take this higher level class. They will approve it and we go for it. So I, again, had a girl, my daughter in middle school taking a high school course, and she did amazing. So that's what we do for our resources. I hope this helps. Keep the questions coming. Thank you. Bye.